Okay, so this is everything that I carry as an emergency kit inside that Arcturus bag. At the top, of course, you can see the tarp and my 20 feet of paracord, and then from left to right I've got my life straw water filter. I've got a couple of snacks that'll get me through the day, or in my case maybe through the afternoon. I've got a good my Kershaw folding knife. It's been pretty moist up here in the forest for the past couple of days because of the spring melt, so I brought along a little bit of easy flame fire starter, and then 2 ways to start a fire, including my fire steel and my REI Co-op Soto flame. And all of that fits into that orange bag. So it makes it very convenient because that orange bag then fits into my shoulder pack. So I can carry that real easy and be ready for pretty much any kind of emergency.